Hey folks, my name is Vincent Nguyen and I am a motion graphics designer and visual effects artist from the creativedojo.net. I've been using After Effects for many years now and I've done several tutorials over the application over the years, and I'm very glad to be your instructor for this 30 Days to Learn Adobe After Effects course. Now in this course, we're really going to be focusing on the core basics and fundamentals of After Effects rather than the creation. We'll take a look at all sorts of things such as mask and shape layers within After Effects, explore the graph editors, basics of After Effects expressions and parenting, and much more. Once we cover the core basics, we'll move on to some more basic techniques such as working and visualizing audio within After Effects, as well as working with track mats. Finally, we'll finish off by exploring some basic techniques you'll be doing in real life scenarios, such as keying green screen footage, tracking and compositing elements, and finally building a very basic typography title. I think we're really going to have a great time learning this very powerful and diverse application. So once you're ready, I'll see you guys in the lessons. Bye guys.